हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम यू ऑल हियर। यदि आपने अब तक हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो अभी दबाएं सब्सक्राइब बटन को। इसके बगल में दिए गए बेल आइकन को दबाना न भूलें ताकि हमारे सारे नए वीडियोस आपको सबसे पहले देखने को मिलें। धन्यवाद।
हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज क्लास 9 मैथमेटिक्स का चैप्टर नंबर 1 लास्ट एक्सरसाइज 1.6 के बारे में चर्चा करेंगे और इस टॉपिक का नाम है लॉज ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट्स फॉर रियल नंबर्स। लुक ऑन द व्हाइट बोर्ड। Here 15 raised to the power 7 is written. You can see here this 15 is called as base and this 7 is exponent. So you must see what is written here, that is called base, and what is written in the power, that is known as exponent. After understanding it, I will start laws of exponent. See its meaning already studied. Suppose here a into a written, you can write it in the short a to the power 3. Suppose a into a is given, so we will get a square. And now see here it is called a raised to the power 3 or a cube. This one is called as a raised to the power 2 or a square. Suppose we want to multiply them, again a cube multiplied by a square. So when bases are same, so when we are multiplying, you can see how many a here 3, how many a here 2. So when we will multiply them, so total how much a will be there? It means these power will be added and your result will be a raised to the power 5. So you can understand this one is first law. I will write here further. Now come to see second law. About the second law, suppose a cube is divided by a square. So what you will get? You can see how much a in the numerator 3, how much a in the denominator 2. So 2a can be cancelled with 2a of numerator, so only 1a will be left. So what rule you will form? You can see, you may write here 3 minus 2, that is a to the power 1. 1 we never write as power, so answer is a. So let us see the all other laws of exponents. You can see first law, a raised to the power m multiplied by a raised to the power n. We can write it as when bases are same, you keep the base same and power will be added. यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं कि दोनों नंबर्स a बेस वाली है, दोनों का पावर एक में m है, दूसरे में n है, और जब हम इनका मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो पावर को ऐड कर देंगे, जैसा कि हमने यहाँ पर एक एग्जाम्पल लेकर के क्लियर किया है। आइए एक और रूल हम बताते हैं, लॉ सेकेंड। अगर कोई नंबर है उसकी पावर m है और उसकी पावर फिर से n है, तो जब पावर के ऊपर पावर होगी तो पावर विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड। So we will apply somewhere. Suppose here a to the power 3 is written and we are doing again its square. So your answer will be a raised to the power 3 into 2. So it will become a raised to the power 6. So this is second law of exponent. Come to the third law of exponent. A to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to, you can write it as m minus n. Here m is greater than n. Now see fourth law. Here you can see a, m, n, all these are natural numbers. Now come to see last fourth law, a to the power m into b to the power m. This can be written as ab whole to the power m. Also there are other laws, so I would like to explain here. Next one is, if any number is having power 0, it means its value is 1. Now see next law, sixth law, a raised to the power minus n can be written as 1 upon a to the power n is equal to, also we can write 1 upon a whole to the power n. You may see variables a, b and m are used. So here a, b and m are all natural numbers. One more law you can see, let a is greater than 0 be a real number. Let m and n be integers such that m and n have no common factor other than 1. What it means? M and n both are co-primes. And a is greater than 0, then what will happen? You can see, if a raised to the power m upon n, this can be expressed as root a. Here we will write what is here in the denominator. You will write here in outside of the radical sign and you can raise the power m. This can be also written as nth root of a to the power m. So sometimes it is needed, you must learn this rule. Extended laws of exponents. Let a is greater than 0 be a real number and p and q be rational numbers. Then we have first law, a raised to the power p into a raised to the power q is equal to a raised to the power p plus q. Second, a raised to the power p whole to the power q is equal to a to the power pq. Third rule, a to the power p upon a to the power q is equal to a raised to the power p minus q. Fourth law, a raised to the power p into b raised to the power p is equal to ab whole to the power p. Actually all these rules are previously you had, so but here p and q are rational numbers. So one thing is there, and in previous laws of exponent when we are studying, there I have taken exponent as natural numbers. So all these rules are also true for the rational numbers. So now one by one I would like to see the exercise. And this exercise contains only 3 questions, and each question has some parts. So one by one I will illustrate it. So come to see the exercise 1.6. Question 1, find number first part 64 raised to the power 1 upon 2. Second part 32 raised to the power 1 upon 5. And third part is 125 whole to the power 1 upon 3. So see the solution of question number 1, first part. You can see here is 2. So 64 raised to the power 1 upon 2. Think it is square of some number. So you write it in the form of a square, so that you can cancel it. This is first line. See here 8 square and raised to the power 1 upon 2. So power to the power multiplied. So you can multiply like this. 2 cancel. 8 raised to the power 1. 1 you will not write. Your answer is 8. Now see the hint for the next two one. You can see this is 32 raised to the power 1 upon 5. If you will 2 raised to the power 5, you can write its prime factor. After prime factorization, write in the form of exponent. 32 can be written as 2 raised to the power 5 and whole to the power 1 upon 5. Whole to the power 1 upon 5. So in the same way you can cancel and you will get 2 only. In this case it is, can see 125 is 5 into 5 into 5 means 5 cube. 5 cube and whole to the power 1 upon 3. So 3 cancel, answer will come 5. So it is solution for the question number 1. Question number 2, find 9 raised to the power 3 upon 2. Second one 32 raised to the power 2 upon 5. Third one is 16 raised to the power 3 upon 4. And this fourth one is 125 raised to the power minus 1 upon 3. So see solution of first one. First part is saying you will find the value of 9 raised to the power 3 upon 2. You can write in the form of exponent to this 9. 9 can be written as 3 square and again raised to the power 3 upon 2. You can see power to the power multiplied. So 3 upon 2. You can cancel these 2 to 2. So you may get 3 raised to the power 3 or 3 cube. And if you will multiply 3 times, so your answer will be 27. This can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 and it will give you 27. Now see some more parts. Here question number 1, 2, also third part, all are of same variety. Now come to see its fourth part. See its fourth part is 1, 2, 5 raised to the power minus 1 upon 3. This can be written as 5 raised to the power 3 because 125 is cube of 5. So we can rewrite it as, now power raised to the power again, so we will multiply them. 5 cube into minus 1 upon 3. So again 3 cancel out. 5 raised to the power minus 1. So you can write its answer applying again one rule. So your answer is 1 upon 5. Here we applied this rule since a to the power minus n can be written as 1 upon a to the power n. This rule is applied, and here we applied rule a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. This rule applied here in this line, and this rule applied here. So question number 2, in this way we can complete. Look, question number 3. Find 2 raised to the power 2 upon 3 into 2 raised to the power 1 upon 5. Second part, 1 upon 3 cube whole raised to the power 7. Third part, 11 raised to the power 1 upon 2 divided by 11 raised to the power 1 upon 4. And fourth one is 7 raised to the power 1 upon 2 into 8 raised to the power 1 upon 2. Why I am writing these questions on the blackboard? Because students are not having books. It may be only few students should have the book. सारे बच्चों के पास किताबें नहीं हैं, इसलिए हम सारे क्वेश्चंस आपको उपलब्ध करा रहे हैं। आप अपने प्रैक्टिस के लिए इन सारे पार्ट्स को करें। तो लेट अस सी solution of some part of solution. You can see 1 and 2. So first of all I would explain its first part. First part, 2 raised to the power 2 upon 3 into 2 raised to the power 1 upon 5. This can be written as base is same, so power will be added. So 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 5. Next line. Now we will take the LCM of 3 and 5, 15. Now 3 5s are 15, 5 2s are 10. 5, we will divide this 15 3 times, 1s are 3. So your answer is now in the next line, 2 raised to the power 13 upon 15. It is your answer. So it is first part. Now see the solution of second part. 1 upon 3 cube whole to the power 7. This can be expressed as 1 raised to the power 7 upon 3 cube whole to the power 7 also. So you can write 1 raised to the power 7, only 1, and here power to the power multiplied 3 raised to the power 3 into 7. So in next line we can write 1 upon 3 raised to the power 21. This is your answer. You may also write, if you want, 1 upon 3 raised to the power 21. Also you can write your answer. Both are correct. Now come to see its third part. See the third part of the question. 11 raised to the power 1 upon 2 divided by 11 raised to the power 1 upon 4. So this can be written as 11 1 upon 2, and here division, when we are dividing, so we will subtract it like this. So 11, take LCM is 4, so you can see 2 minus 1. Now we can write 11 here 1 upon 4. This is answer of the third part. Which rule I have applied here? a to the power m divided by a to the power n. So base will remain same, here m minus n, because m is greater than n. Now simplifying just these fractions, subtracting, so we will get answer 11 raised to the power 1 upon 4. So see the fourth one also. You can see 7 raised to the power 1 upon 2 into 8 raised to the power 2. It is different from all others. You can see here bases are different but power is same. So we can see, we can write it as 7 into 8 raised to the power 1 upon 2. So you can see 8 7 are 56 and power is 1 upon 2. This answer of this fourth part, and in this way this exercise completes. Now student, after that I am going to give you some homework to do as follows. वीडियो नंबर 6 क्लास 9 के जो क्वेश्चंस आपको होमवर्क में दिए गए थे उनके आंसर आप अभी स्क्रीन पे देख रहे हैं. So this is the first chapter completed today. एंड स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप ये आज का 7वां वीडियो क्लास 9 का मैथमेटिक्स के लिए आपको बहुत पसंद आया होगा, बहुत ही उपयोगी होगा. हमारे व्यूअर्स कहते हैं सर हिंदी में भी बोलिए, तो मुझे हिंदी और इंग्लिश में मिक्स करके बोलना पड़ रहा है. हमें उम्मीद है कि आप कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर आप अपने विचार और अपनी क्वेरी यू कैन आस्क, आप वहाँ पूछ सकते हैं यूट्यूब चैनल में, और आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है. यथासंभव आपके आंसर दिए जाएंगे. तो आज हम इस क्लास को यहीं पे समाप्त करते हैं. जय हिंद एवरीबॉडी.